Okay, we're going to finish drilling some more holes up here. My friend drilled a couple. Alright, so go from this box. We use this board here for our guide, drill in the middle. Around the corner. Okay, he got up to here, so we're going to come around back here. He's got holes here, so now we can start stapling and pulling our wires. So next, like Tuesday, I can go around and get the outlets on the other side.
Yeah. Well, like I said, once you get that solid down there, it's easy. This is easy peasy up there, right?
Yes, it is.
See, the only thing about my lights in the ceiling, I don't know what I want to do yet. You know what I mean? So
Yeah.
that's down the road because I want to know what I got to do. You know, I don't know if I want to go in recessed light in or. Give me some staples.
Okay. And I need a hand pump to it. Here's the hand corner here. So right there we go. Well, that's where the drill tied. Now, when you're running wires, you got to have your holes back at least 1.25 inches.
Yeah, away from the front, right?
Right.
Okay.
Or you have to put the outplate if they're close. Okay. Box here.
Fucking amazing, Dave. You
Good.
are amazing. You are an amazing dude.
Good, thank you.
My props to you.
What?
My props to you.
Good. Alrighty, so come around here. This box. Yes, I'll go through. So we're going to use nail plates on this one. I'm going to let the drill cool a little bit so it doesn't overheat. I wish this had a reverse, but you don't have it, you don't have it. See where my hole is over here. So let's break it out right here. So I'm gonna let the drill cool a bit. We'll pull our wire over. So a nail plate is gonna have to go here. Now, how do you need that drill, guys?
I need to drill after.
Okay, I'm gonna just drill
Too much.
couple more. You wanna work on pulling that out?
What's that, bud?
You wanna work on pulling that out? I'll start doing some outlets.
Mold and whatever.
The drill.
Gotcha. Okay.
Now, I'm not gonna screw all these in all the way
Yeah. No, yeah.
because of the sheetrock going on. How much wire did you get run in the cellar?
I got a little bit of the spot, but I just need to hold so I can start on that one.
Oh, okay.
Where's the key to this?
I don't have. Oh, it's on there, but it's stripped out. It's not any good.
This one.
Do you want the ground holes up or down?
Down.
Okay.
One, down and bottom.
Okay. the insulation even at the top there. We'll get our wires twisted so they're even. I wish I had off tomorrow so I could do the rest of everything.
Okay, no big end.
What? Yeah, nice even twist here. Boy, that's a beautiful twist, and our wires even came out even on the bottom. I don't even have to clip them. Make sure our insulation goes into the bottom of the wire nut there. They make LED lights that are even a little bit brighter than these. Okay, we'll fold these back into our box. Perfectly even. You don't even have to cut that one. Make sure it's nice and tight. You always put your wire around the screw the direction the screw turns. Boy, I like how that breaker box came out. Okay, there's what we want right there. Push our wires down the bottom. Okay.
Stay there, yes.
Oh, I like this Sears screwdriver. It's a good one. All right, there we go. That's what we want. Now we can fold our wires to go into the box. We'll keep our ground wire down at the bottom here, and we'll screw this. I got a nice deep box here, so we'll screw this in. And we won't screw it all the way down because they're going to put sheetrock up, and they're going to have to unscrew it to put the sheetrock on around it. So off to the next one we go. Now I like putting both wires in either the top or in the bottom, and it's neater that way. Easier to shape the wires and put them in the box. So we'll get them in here. Okay. So we'll cut our wires to the same length here. We'll just group our ends so we can. Clip them so they're all even. All right, there's our ground wire. Push it all the way back into our box. I like these nice deep boxes. You don't have to worry about not having enough room. Okay, we'll twist it in so it goes in nice and even. We'll cut them so they're all even on the end here. We'll look, make sure we see all three coppers, and we do. Fold it back into our box. Get it back out of our way here. We'll keep our ground wire down the bottom. Make sure it's tight. Make a nice loop. You always put your wire around the screw the direction your screw turns. Okay, I clip that one just a little long, so I'll bend it back. I'll take a little bit off there. Okay, there's our white. Our black one over here on the brass screw. You always put your black on the brass screw and the white on the silver screw on outlets and light fixtures, porcelain light fixtures. Make sure it's nice and tight like that. Let's check it again, make sure our white is tight and our ground is tight. Alright, so we'll keep our ground wire down at the bottom. Where did I set my screwdriver? Right here. Again, we're not going to screw it down all the way because they're going to put sheetrock up, and you want to make sure they can put the sheetrock up without a problem. Okay. Now this one we're going to have to put a nail plate on. Okay, so we got to get a couple staples. Okay, so we'll put this one. Now you can put two wires in one staple. You gotta get a staple near the top of the box. Put our other one in here. to strip the ends here so I don't, if I cut the insulation underneath, it's where it's going to be stripped. Here in the country I was born in, your black wire is live, your white is neutral, and the bare is the ground. White is the only color, and gray are the only two colors allowed to be used for a neutral. But there are times when the white wire may be live, like in a switch loop or a 220-240 volt circuit where the appliance does not require a neutral. My friend Bruce downstairs is running the wires for the lights, and I'm going to wire them up when I'm going to go down and hook them up after we're done with the outlets here. Okay, so we'll get our grounds together first. All right, so I'll clip them so they're all even here. Give them all nice and even here. Get them nice even. Cut them so they're all even on the end here. And we'll twist them evenly here. Now hold the tail so it doesn't get twisted up. Okay, we'll push this this one back in. We'll get our whites together here. Even there. Third one in. Okay, we'll go. Hey, they came out all even. See how they're, well, a little bit off here. So I'm going to take the snippers here and get these two. They're just a little longer. Now they're all perfectly even. Put our wire nut on to make sure insulation goes up into the bottom there. Now I hold the tail so it doesn't get uneven underneath the gap. Okay, so now we push our wires back into our box. This one's harder because we got quite a few wires in here. That's why I like the nice deeper boxes. So we'll keep our ground wire down here out of our way. Make sure it stays down at the bottom, zigzagging on the bottom here. Make sure it's tight. Just put your wire around the screw the direction the screw turns. Make sure you don't get your insulation under the screw head. Make sure it's nice and tight. Our insulation's not pinched under the screw head, so we'll make sure our ground stays zigzagged on the bottom there. Our black wire on the brass screw. Make sure it's tight like that. Okay. Pull our wires into our the box, keeping our ground wire down away from everything here. Again, we're not going to screw it all the way down until after the sheetrock is up, because they'll have to unscrew it and tip the outlet in so that they can put the sheetrock around the box. And they'll get screwed in later off camera. Okay, now we'll go to the last one. Okay, so got my template for the height of the box here. I'm using this for my template. Here. We're going to use a shallow box because it's the last one on the circuit, and we don't have a Okay, put the black on the brass screw, close it up like this. Make sure it's nice and tight. And our copper's under the screw head all the way around. Put it around there. White on a silver colored screw. Make sure it's nice and tight. Okay, there it is. That's what we want. Let's turn this around and keep our ground wire down at the bottom. It's nice and deep. So we'll screw this into our box. We'll screw this one down all the way because they can plug in their power strip and they'll have power in here. I'm going to use the screw gun and do that off camera, but I want to get it in here. Bruce? Can you get a ladder out for me to the GFI, and then this circuit's all done?
Okay, perfect. All right. I'll get over
Okay, here we go.
All right,
Alrighty.
Good job, brother.
All right.
Yeah, brother. Yeah. Good job, brother.
Alrighty.
Yeah.
Peace.
Did a hell of a job.
Good.
This man knows what he's doing.
Yep.
Good job, brother.
Good.
All right.
Alrighty.
That's a good man right there, boy. He knows his shit.
Alrighty.
Yes, he does.
Okay, now this is the end of the circuit there, so we have like, this is going to be all one circuit, so the outside GFI is up here for plugging in things like security camera. That's what's going to go up here right away, right? And it can be used for other things, but it's nice to have it up here so it's more protected, and a weatherproof cover is going to go on it after the
I got like a bead board going across the whole bottom of that.
yeah.
So, and then I got like one of those doodabbers there. I got a garage there that's gonna cover with a door on it, actually.
Right.
Like an outside, you know.
Right. So that will, the outdoor weatherproof cover will go on after the ceiling is put up. But this is up out of the weather and everything, so it won't get hit and bothered. So on the back of the GFI, you'll see where it says line and load. We're going to close the load screws. Now outdoors, GFIs are required for outlets outdoors, in the bathroom, around swimming pools, and within 6 feet of the sink in the kitchen. So we're going to check our wires, make sure they're not too short or too long. That's good. That's good, and our ground will go under the green screw like this here. Now, does this have to be taken off when they put the siding up here?
I know, 'cause I'm gonna go around it.
Okay,
And I'm
so
gonna put a faceplate over the top of it.
okay. Do you have a screw gun so I can screw it into the box easily? Okay, so we'll put a white line. Where it says line here. Make sure our insulation is butted up to the plastic there. Okay, not yet, not yet. Okay, thank you, thank you. You want to get the cover so I can show it to him?
I don't have the cover right now for it.
Oh, okay.
It's after I get the bead board out.
Oh, okay. So fill that way to the wind, around the way. Now that outlet on the end, I'll screw in all the way so you can use it.
Yeah.
Okay, and I'll snug that by hand so I don't strip the holes out. There, we are all set. We got our first whole 20 amp circuit wired in the house.